Hi everybody, I hope you've been having a wonderful summer. Today I wanted to pop on to talk about some quick summer cleaning ideas to take advantage of the gorgeous warm weather so that you can tidy up, get your house in order in a quick and efficient way. Because let's face it, you're supposed to be out having a great time in the summer, not stuck at home cleaning. But there are some tips that I want to share that have really helped me and keep my home organized and just make better use of my time so I can go out and enjoy the nice weather. So let's get started. So the first tip I wanted to share that has been amazing for my family and I is air purification. My younger daughter is a bit allergic to the dogs. We have 3 dogs. For those of you who have been subscribed for a while, you know how much I love pets. And now we also have a cat who has been visiting us that will go back to my daughter's apartment when she heads back to college. But we're a house full of pets, which means a lot of dander and a lot of fur. So we recently invested in some air purification devices. They're very small and obscure, as you can see, and they have really helped us to keep the air pure. The other thing I wanted to mention for those of you, even if you have an AC, check this out over here. So this is a fan. It's an oscillating fan. I love how it looks. I remember the old days when we had the big fans. It was kind of dangerous for my kids that would move around, and I always thought they would get their hands stuck in it. But this is very safe, even for toddlers, and it has an LED panel where you can just put it on different settings. So between my air purifier and my fan, by the way, we also have a fan upstairs as well. It has really been helping to circulate the air and diminish our allergies, and we just feel a bit healthier in the summer. The other thing that has been a huge lifesaver, you have to come over here and take a look at this. So this is the P50 Ultra Robot Vacuum. It is from Mova, and it has really helped to clean my home in a safe and efficient way with all of my pets wandering around and my family back at home off from college for the summer. The house has been a bit of a mess, but this really does a fabulous job. And I love that it is white and it's compact and it looks beautiful in my home decor. So Mova was founded in 2024 and it is backed by hardcore technology meeting up with human needs. It's a perfect combination, and it really is shaping the future of smart home technology. With a staggering 19,000 PA suction, it lifts everything from fine dust to large debris on both hardwood and plush carpets, delivering deep cleanliness in one go. And here's the self-care magic. The P50 Ultra empties its own dustbin, then spray washes mop pads in 75 degrees Celsius hot water, dries them with hot air, refills clean water, and holds up to 75 days of dust, all automatically. Thanks to Flex Reach technology, its extendable side brush and mop pad reach deep into low crevices, up to 4 centimeters, so it tackles dust and crumbs under cabinets, chair legs, and along baseboards effortlessly. Click my exclusive link to get this robot while it's on sale. It's your shortcut to a cleaner, hassle-free home. And my last summer quick fix cleaning tip is it's a great time of the year to take some of those larger throw pillows, blankets. You can see I have a ton here that you would either take to the cleaners in the winter and spend a fortune, or you say, I just can't fit these in my dryer. So what I like to do is I like to put them in my washing machine, and then I put them out in the beautiful sunshine and they dry. I have a little detergent air freshener I put on. They smell absolutely amazing. You can't do that in the winter. The summer is a perfect time to do it. Just make sure you're not doing it on a day that you are expecting rain. I hope that you found this video helpful. I would love to hear in the comments section if you have any tips below for summer cleaning. I know many people like to do the spring cleaning, but again, I just love summer. It's really hot down here in South Florida in the summer, so I just think it's a slower time of the year, slower pace, and it's a great time to kind of take care and reset and keep up with your home. So I hope you guys have a great day. I will be seeing you all again soon. Take care.